How to get a free trial on Frase. This is Matt, and in this video I'll show you how to get a free trial with Frase, the popular research and marketing tool. So first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click my link and you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how Frase change their pages over time. So it's really pretty simple. This is a 7-day free trial. As you can see right here, there is no credit card required, so you're not going to be charged or anything within that 7-day period. So it's a very good, safe trial. You can check out the platform, see if it is for you. Maybe it isn't for you. You can cancel at any time in that free trial period. And in fact, even if you don't cancel, you're not going to be charged because you don't have to enter your credit card. So you can see if it's for you. If it is, you can stick around, get a paid plan. If not, you can stop that trial at any time. So all you need to do, you've got a couple of different green buttons here for the free trial. Once you've clicked my link, you'll turn up here, click this button for start free trial. And then this is how we're going to start the 7-day free trial. So very simply, you can sign up with Google. So if you already have a Gmail account, for instance, you can click there and just sign in super easily, or you enter your name, your first name, last name, and your email, click continue, and you will start your free trial. No credit card required. Very, very straightforward, very, very low fuss. And that's how you do it. So highly advise that you check out this free trial. You can go around some of the marketing pages here and see what they're offering. It's really a pretty good package. There's some free, you can ask questions on the bottom if you want some more information. So that is how you will get a free trial of Frase. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like that.